Hello.
Thanks, sir.
Good evening to all.
Good
Sir,
evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
good evening, sir.
Good evening. In last class, how many problems completed? This is now
Like Monday, I was absent for the competitive class.
Monday
Sir,
afternoon.
standard result, we did 2 questions, sir.
2 questions, huh?
Sir, three questions.
Okay. And this question
Sir,
completed, huh?
can you explain third question?
Okay. I will explain.
Sir, the boat is flickering today.
Even for me. Sir,
Board is
readable, sir. It's readable.
it's not clear.
So, like, it's flickering.
Flickering. Okay. Wait. Just ask. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Now board is clear. Hello.
The board is clear only, but like it's flickering.
That is some problem is there. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we can adjust, sir.
Okay. That is the problem is there. I don't know. Next, third problem, right? Nagabhushan? Third one or fourth one?
Sir, can you explain third one?
Third one. Okay. Evaluate limit x tends to 1, x power n plus 1 minus n plus 1 into x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square. This problem, right, Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see, limit x tends to 1, limit x tends to 1. Now multiply minus multiply x power n plus 1 minus nx minus x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square. Now after that, x common, limit x tends to 1, x power n into x minus nx minus x plus n upon x minus 1 whole square. Now x common, limit x tends to 1, x power n minus 1, right? X power n minus 1 minus n common, x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square, right? After that, x power n, since x power n minus 1 power n is equal to, already proof, proof.
No, sir, we don't know.
proof. Limit extends to a limit
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That one, yes, sir.
extends to a x power n minus a power n upon x minus a is equal to n into x power n minus 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Now x power n minus a power n is equal to x minus a into x power n minus 1 into a power 0 plus x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a square plus x power n minus 3 into a cube plus so on plus x power 0 a power n minus 1, right? This is binomial theorem.
Sir, this part only I didn't understand.
This part only binomial theorem, binomial expansion. X minus a into x power n minus 1 a power 0 plus x power n minus 1 into a power 1 plus x power n minus 2 into a square plus x power n minus 3 into a cube plus so on plus x power 0 into a power n minus 1. See, a to the a plus b whole to the power of n formula. By using expansion, binomial theorem.
Sir, is there any,
Same expression by using here substituting.
sir, is there any way without using that we can do?
No other way. Otherwise,
Sir, but
direct to L'Hospital rule. Other way means L'Hospital rule.
okay.
Okay. Other way L'Hospital rule. Second method. But this method is by using this formula. Now here x power n minus 1. X power n minus 1. X power n minus 1 power n is equal to x minus 1 into x minus 1 into same formula using. Same. X power minus x minus 1 into, tell me.
Yes, sir, x to the
Question.
1, x to the
Here.
2, x to the power of 3,
Ah,
but still x to the power of n.
1 plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n minus 1. Understood? X power n minus 1 power n is equal to x minus 1 into 1 plus x square x cube plus so on plus x power n minus 1. This formula using here. Then after that, limit x tends to 1 x into x minus 1 into same expression, right? 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power n minus 1 minus n into x minus 1 upon x minus 1 whole square. X minus 1 whole square. After that,
X minus 1 can be cancelled.
x minus 1, x minus 1 get cancelled. Okay.
So over there, we'll have to take it as common, no, sir, because it's n into x minus 1.
X into 1 plus x square plus so on plus x power n minus 1 minus n into okay.
Gets
This one
cancelled.
also cancel. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Minus n upon x minus 1, right? After that, x multiply.
Try that x.
X multiply limit x tends to 1 x plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n. Correct? X power n minus n upon x minus 1. Same before problem, check it once. Before problem, limit x tends to 1 x plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power n minus n upon x minus 1 is equal to answer n into n plus 1 upon 2, right? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir.
Same problem, before problem. Before problem answer, that answer we have to write here. Understood, Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir, understood.
Hmm. Then next problem also important, same model. Sigma all of you done?
Yes, sir, completed.
Already solutions uploaded, that PDF.
Yes,
So did you correct the papers?
No. Saturday I corrected. Saturday I will send marks.
Okay, sir.
Hmm.
So tomorrow paper discussion.
Hmm.
Sir, and on Saturday, what time do we have the class?
Morning, first class 5:30 to 7. Saturday 5:30 to 7.
Sir, evening only, no, sir?
Evening only.
Okay, sir. Done, sir.
Done. Okay. The next problem. Evaluate limit extends to 1 sigma k is equal to 1 power 100 x power k minus 100 upon x minus 1.
Sir, you gave this last class also.
Completed?
Yes, sir, 5050.
Yes, correct.
No,
Yes, correct. 5050. Himanshi, correct. Done, Nagbhushan?
sir, I don't remember this one.
Hmm.
Sir, I don't remember this one. I think it's same model only, no, sir.
Same model.
Yes, sir. Then it'll be easy only, sir.
Easy only. See, limit x tends to 1, x plus x square plus x cube plus so on plus x power 100. Okay, minus 100 upon x minus 1. Okay, after that same model. Next,
Yes, sir.
okay. Next, infinity method. Infinity method. Infinity method, infinity by infinity and infinity plus or minus infinity. Forms. In this method, we shall write down the given expression. In this method, we shall, all of you write. In this method, we shall write down the given expression in the form of rational function. In the form of rational function, that is f of x upon g of x. That is f of x upon g of x. Then divide the numerator and denominator. Then divide the numerator and denominator by the highest power of x. The highest power of x. The highest power of x. And then limit x tends to infinity. Limit x tends to infinity 1 upon x power n is equal to 0. Limit x tends to infinity 1 upon x power n is equal to 0.
Sir,
Nagbhushan.
yes, sir. We can also write 1 by x tends to 0, right? Yes, sir.
X greater than 1. Limit x tends to infinity 1 upon x is equal to 0. Limit x tends to 1 upon x square is equal to 0. See, for example, limit x tends to infinity, ax square plus bx plus c upon ax square plus bx plus c upon dx square plus ex plus f. Suppose limit x tends to infinity, ax square plus bx plus c upon dx square plus cx plus f. Then limit x tends to infinity, x square common, numerator and denominator, x square common, degree is x degree is 2. Now x square common, a plus
B
a
by
plus b by x, right?
yes,
Plus c by x square upon x square into d plus e upon x plus f upon x square, right? Understood, all of you?
yes, sir.
Limit extends to infinity, x square get cancelled. X square get cancelled. After that, limit apply. This one is 0 and this one is 0. This one and numerator and denominator 0. And remaining answer is a upon d.
E.
How simple?
Sir, for a rational function, it's always the coefficient of highest power, right?
Yes, Nagbhushan. Very, very important infinity method in mains level and advanced level. Important.
CET?
Mains level and advanced level. Advanced level means IIT only, no?
Sir, CET.
CET, CET is not good. Only up to rationalization and factorization and L-Hospital rule. I think f of x power of g of x also is not coming. CET. 1 power infinity method. Okay. Done, all of you? All of you done? Anirudh, Bhargav?
Yes, sir, done.
Okay. Next.
One second.
Okay. Second example. Evaluate limit x tends to minus infinity under root 25x square minus 3x plus 5x. This form is
Infinity minus infinity.
Infinity minus infinity form. Infinity minus infinity form. Now all of you do this one.
Sir, 10. 10.
10.
Yeah.
Wrong.
No. Okay.
Wrong. Tell me the answer.
So we should divide it with x, no, sir?
Hmm?
We should divide the expression with x, right?
This
Oh,
one-
okay, sir. Yeah, no, sir. We cannot divide it.
Huh. And see, in this method, one more point, rationalization also we can do.
So then we'll get the answer by rationalization.
Multiply and divided by rationalization. Let y is equal to minus x. Y is equal to minus x take as x tends to minus infinity and y tends to infinity. Plus 3y minus 5y. Under root 25y square plus 3y plus 5y upon under root 25y square plus 3y plus 5y. Limit y tends to infinity. Numerator 25y square 25y square plus 3y minus
Minus
25
25y square.
minus 25y square upon under root 25y square plus 3y plus 5y is equal to minus 25y square plus 25y square get cancelled. Limit y tends to infinity 3y upon 3y upon under root 25y square plus 3y plus 5y. After that, y common?
Divide with y.
Y. Divided by y, limit y tends to infinity. Y tends to infinity. 3 upon under root 25 plus 3 upon y. 3 upon y plus 5 is equal to now limit apply 3 upon under root 25 plus 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
25 plus 5 3 upon square root 25 5 square
5.
5 plus 5 is equal to 3 upon 10. This is the answer.
Sir,
Ah,
sir, instead of converting into y, I took minus 1 by x is equal tends to 0.
okay, no problem. That one
Yes,
also correct. All of you done? Understood all of you? Santosh, Yashash?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, advanced problem. let the sequence bn of real numbers satisfies the recurrence relation bn plus 1 is equal to 1/3 into 2bn plus 125 upon bn square. Bn is not equal to 0. Then
Sir, it is bn whole square, right?
bn square.
Okay, sir.
Then find limit n tends to infinity bn. Options: option A 2, option B 5, option C 10, option D 4.
Sir, sir, first term is given.
First term?
Sir, first term is not given, sir. Then how to do, sir?
Himanshu?
I'm thinking, sir.
Thinking. Advanced problem. Anyone? Santosh?
I don't know, sir.
You don't know. Bhargav?
Sir, I'm not getting it, sir.
Huh.
Sir, is it 4? I'm just guessing.
Guessing.
Yes, sir, just guessing. 4.
Wrong.
Wrong, sir.
Wrong.
Sir, JEE mains or advanced, sir?
Advanced problem.
Okay, sir.
Mains problems easy. Nagabhushan, try Nagabhushan. Why you
Sir, doing,
sitting?
sir.
Thinking. Try.
Yes, sir, I'm thinking.
Let limit.
Sir, wait, sir, please.
Okay.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
B value find. B. Shall I explain? Nagabhushan?
Sir, I want to do it, sir.
Hey, where is Himanshu?
Sir, maybe.
Sir, I think he left.
Left.
Sir, he's Alan's student. I think he might have Alan classes.
Okay, Alan student. Ah, Himanshu.
Yes, sir. He comes only for maths.
Okay, okay. And any other students? Alan students? Alan? Nagabhushan?
Sir, only he is only Alan's student, sir.
Okay, okay. Himanshu only, Alan. See, Nagabhushan, let limit n tends to infinity, bn is equal to b. Take.
Yes.
Now given bn plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3 into 2bn plus 125 upon bn square. Now both
Yes,
sides
sir.
limit apply. Limit n tends to infinity, bn plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 3
Okay, sir. Understood, sir. Sir, it will be B only both sides.
So that is the logic, small logic. Oh, Keshav.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Now
sir.
only I got power, sir. Power problem was there.
Okay, okay. Infinity method. Already rationalization method completed. Standard result method completed. This is fifth method. To limit n tends to infinity, bn plus 125 upon limit n tends to infinity, bn square. Then limit n tends to infinity, bn plus 1 means b only, right? 1 upon 3 into 2b. 2b plus 125 upon b square. Now take LCM. B minus 2b. Okay. 1 upon 3 into 2b.
Sir, answer B.
Sir, 5, sir.
Yes, correct. B. B is the correct option. B is the correct option. Minus 2b by 3 is equal to 125 upon b square. 3b minus 2b upon 3 is equal to 125 upon b square. Now b by 3 is equal to 125 upon
Sir,
b
sir,
square.
B square or 3B square, sir?
3?
Is it B square or 3B square?
Which one? This
Right
one.
hand side, right hand side.
125 upon b square. This one b square.
Sir, you're not multiplying inside. You're not like.
Huh?
You have to multiply inside, no, sir. You will get 3b.
Not multiply. See, plus 2 by 3, send this side, minus 2 by 3.
Understand.
Okay, here 3 square, right, correct. Here 3b square. 3b, 1 by 3 multiply. Now here 3 get cancelled. B cube is equal to 125. Now 125, 5 cube,
Five.
right?
Yes,
5
sir.
cube. Oh. B cube is equal to 5 cube. B is equal to 5. B is equal to 5.
Sir, when are we discussing the question paper?
Tomorrow.
Okay, sir. Sir, I have 2-3 doubts in the
Okay.
paper, sir.
Okay. Nagabhushan, easy or tough?
Sir, if you know logic, it's easy only.
Sir, it was easy, but the 1 markers were too lengthy.
Okay.
Sir, is it the board pattern or? Sir, was the one like you didn't give MCQs, no, sir? Are you following the new pattern or the old patterns, sir? For the
Old pattern.
okay, sir.
Old pattern only, not new pattern. Next, fourth one. Now this problem also advance, evaluate, limit n tends to infinity, n square into under root 1 minus cos 1 upon n under root 1 minus cos 1 upon n under root 1 minus cos 1 upon n so on infinity. Integer type question.
Sir, I have a doubt. Sir, this bracket shows fractional part or normal?
Normal only.
Okay, sir.
Not fractional, just normal bracket. Okay, this bracket also right.
Sir, you can take the term as x. Say.
Which one?
First, then.
Limit.
Like
now
it's under
here
root.
1 upon
No,
n is
you
equal
can take it
to
as n times. N times.
Yeah, 1 upon n is equal to x take. As s tends to
Something,
infinity
sir, something
and
will.
x tends to 0. Now limit x tends to 0.
Sir, sir, what is the answer?
Answer
Yes, sir.
1 upon 2.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
1 upon 2. By using sum of infinite GP, this problem. Sum of
Sir, let
infinite.
me-
Huh?
Sir, I'll do it, sir.
Okay, okay. Santosh done? Santosh?
Doing, sir.
Yashes? Yashes?
Answer almost.
Okay, okay. 1 upon 2. 1 by 2. Answer.
Yes, sir, did it.
Done na? Nagabhushan?
Sir, we can write 1 minus cos x as 2 cos square x by 2.
No,
Yeah. 2
no,
cos
no.
square. 2 sin
2
square.
sine square 1 by
Keshav? 2 sin square x by 2, Keshav. 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus cos x. 1
And we
plus cos
can
x.
do
2
next.
cos
2 sine
square
cos.
x by 2.
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Yeah, yes, sir. Sir. Plus
Sir?
and minus difference I got, sir. One mistake I did. I didn't see the formula.
Sir,
Nagabhushan.
sir, what I did is
Hmm.
I consider that root part as x,
Hmm.
and inside also x only, no, sir.
Okay,
Is
okay, okay.
equal to square root of 2 sine square 1 by 2n into x.
Okay, okay.
I found x, then I applied limit to x.
Sir, we can write
Hmm.
n square as 1 by x square.
Hmm.
We can simplify and we can get 1 by 2.
Hmm. All of you done?
second, sir.
All of you done? Next problem.
Sir,
Limit.
can you solve this once?
Okay.
I want to. I'm stuck somewhere in the middle where I don't know, sir.
See,
I'm stuck.
square root. See, square root 1 minus cos x. 1 minus cos x whole to the power of 1 by 2. 1 minus cos x whole to the power of 1 upon 2 square. Limit x tends to 0, 1 minus cos x whole to the power of 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 square, 1 upon 2 cube plus so on infinity upon x square. Keshav?
1 by x square, that is x square. Because
One.
n is equal to 1 by x. Using
One.
that, we can get
X square, no? Correct? Now
till
here
here I got
infinity
I'm
method.
just
Limit
using some
x
of
tends to 0.
GPA things.
X tends to 0. S infinity. S infinity is equal to a upon 1 minus r. A 1 by 2. 1 by 2 upon 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 by 2, right? Correct? Okay. Now 1 upon 2 upon 2, 2 minus 2 by 2. 1 upon 2. Now S infinity is equal to 1 upon 2. Correct? 2 minus
Yes,
1.
sir.
Oh, sorry. Here
Correct.
1. Get cancelled. 1 only. 1.
1 minute.
S infinity is equal to 1. Now here 1 minus cos x upon whole to the power of 1 only. Here upon x square. Now limit x tends to 0, 2 sine square x by 2 upon x square. Now multiply divided by 4 is equal to 2 1 jar 2 2 jar 1 upon 2 limit x tends to 0 sine x by 2 upon x by 2 whole square. Now limit x tends to sine x by x. Sine x by x
Sir, 1.
1 is equal to 1 upon 2 into 1 is equal to 1 upon 2.
Sir,
Keshav, understood?
sir, how did you get 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 square plus 1 by 2 cube and dot dot dot?
Which one? This one?
Yes, sir.
See here
This
under
one is
root.
easy.
Under root.
Okay, yes, sir. Power, no, sir. Yes, sir.
Ah,
Understood, sir. Yes, sir. I thought it is multiplication.
power. Not multiplication. Power. 1 minus cos x power 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 2 square 1 upon 2 cube plus so on infinity. Infinity is given, no? 1 upon infinity, sum of infinite terms. Sum of infinite terms, S infinity is equal to A upon 1 minus R. A is equal to 1 by 2 and R is equal to 1 by 2. Now substituting S infinity is equal to 1. This whole thing is 1. Now 1 upon 1 minus cos x upon x square. Now 1 minus cos x formula 2 sine square x by 2 upon x square multiply and divided by denominator 4. 1 upon 2, 2 1 jar 2 2 jar 1 upon 2 into limit x tends to 0 sine x by 2 upon x by 2 whole square, right? Then limit x tends to 0 sine x by x. Limit x tends to 0 sine x by x is equal to 1.
Sir?
Now 1 upon 2 into 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Tell.
Sir, what all you are going to learn in special series?
Which one?
Sir, not here. In competitive, what all we are going to learn about special series.
Most important.
Yes, sir.
Right, talking about
1
harmonic
power,
progression.
1 power infinity.
No,
F of
no, sir.
ah,
Sir, sequence and series. Special
ah,
series, we know, no, sir. Like n square, n cube.
sigma n.
Yes, sir.
Sigma
What
n,
all are
sigma
there?
n square, sigma n cube.
Then nothing else, sir.
Nothing else.
Okay, sir.
These three sigma, that is sigma concept is there, no? Sequence and series. Sigma notation. One concept is there, sigma notation. Relation between AM and GM and HM and harmonic progression, GP, AP and AGP, and sigma notation and method of difference.
Okay, sir.
These 6 concepts, sequence and series. Sigma notations and all advanced level, advanced and mains. Method of difference also. Okay, all of you done?
Sir, you can proceed.
Okay.
Done.
Okay. Next problem.
Sir, 1 minute, sir.
Okay.
Half limit x tends to 0. Sin x by 2 divided by x by 2 whole square. It's okay, sir. But if you put 0, you will get sin 0 is 1 by 2.
Sin
1
0.
minute, sir. 1 minute.
Sin 0 1.
Sin 0 0.
Cos 0 1.
0 by something has happened to you,
Special
sir.
series I will explain. Special
Sin 0 is 0.
Special expansions. Some useful special expansions is there.
Sir, those we learned, sir, like sin x is equal to 1 by.
That I will explain, no?
Sir, that old, sir.
Some important expansions to equations.
Yes, sir, we already learned that.
Okay, sin x, cos x.
Yes, sir,
tan
sin x is equal to
e power x, a power
yes,
x.
Sir. Yes, sir, we did this already.
All.
Yes, sir.
Log of 1 plus x.
1 plus x, where x is.
Log of 1 minus x. 1 plus x whole to the power of n. Sin inverse x. Cos inverse x. These are and all expansions. Most.
Sir, 1 by x to the power of n and sin inverse x, cos inverse x, sir, that sir didn't give. Only till log he gave, sir.
Okay. Sin inverse x and tan inverse, not cos, tan. Tan inverse x.
The sin is odd function, right? So we can remember odd rule. Cos is even, so we can even.
By using Maclaurin series, by using these formulas and all, using Maclaurin series. Maclaurin series in BTech level most important. In first M1, first semester is coming. M1, Maclaurin series. Very useful for you in BTech. This concept, Maclaurin series. By using these expansions, apply Maclaurin series. Okay. Next problem. Next, fourth one. evaluate limit n tends to infinity 1 minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus so on minus 2n upon under root n square plus 1 under root plus 4n square minus 1. This one also advanced problem. One minus 2 plus 3 minus 4 plus 5 minus 6 plus 7 minus 8 plus so on minus 2n upon under root n square plus 1 plus under root 4n square minus 1.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, numerator will become minus n, right?
Minus n.
Yes, sir.
Not minus n, minus 2n.
Okay, sir. Wait, sir.
Minus 2n. Now options 1 upon 3 b, minus 1 upon 3 c, minus 1 upon 5 d, none. Important problem, important model. These questions and all easy or tough, Nagbhushan?
Sir, we know logic, they are easy only.
Sir, we need to group terms separately here. Subtracted like 1 minus 2.
Okay, so correct.
Here 1 plus 3 plus 5
yes,
plus
correct.
7 in a separate
Correct.
group, and minus
Okay.
2, minus 4, minus 6. And you need to find what is the preceding term, sir. 2n minus 1 minus 2n. That thing also you need to see.
Okay. Which option is correct? Which college, Keshav?
Sir, KV DRDO, sir.
Oh, KV,
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Where are you staying?
Sir, quarters, sir, here only, near
Oh,
institute only.
okay. Nagabhushan, you?
Sir, same. But
Oh, same KV. Ah.
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay, okay. Bhargav,
Sir, NCFE, sir.
NCFE. Okay, okay. Santosh,
Sir, NCF.
NCFE. Okay. SS,
Sir, option B.
option
B, sir.
B.
Yes, sir.
Ah.
So can we take n is equal to 1 by x here?
Ah, tell. Keshav, complete Keshav.
Sir, we need to no, sir. I am in Virudoli. Like we need to convert this n equal to. We need to get rid of n tends to infinity.
Hmm.
For that, we should get x tends to 0. It will be more easier.
Shall I explain?
Or
Huh?
yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Initial steps I'm getting.
Ah, limit n tends to infinity. 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus so on
Sir,
plus. Ah,
sir, instead of this, we can skip the steps, sir. Like, sir, 1 minus 2 is minus 1. 3
ah,
minus 4 is minus 1. 5
okay.
minus 6 is minus 1. So,
Ah,
minus 1 occurs n times.
ah,
Become minus n only, no, sir.
ah, okay. That one also we can process. We can do, no problem. But this one also no. See,
Yes, sir.
I'm taking odd numbers. 1
Yes, sir,
plus
I
3 plus
understood,
5
sir.
plus 2n minus 1 minus of even 1 plus 4 plus 6 plus so on plus 2n upon under root n square plus 1 plus under root 4n square minus 1. Now here limit n tends to infinity 1 plus 3 plus 5. This one is n by 2 sum of n terms n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d n by 2 into 2 plus 2a means 1 n minus 1 into 2 minus here n by 2 into n by 2 into 2 into 2 plus n minus 1 into 2 upon under root n square plus 1 plus under root 4n square minus 1. Now after that n square 2 get cancelled, 2 get cancelled, n square limit n tends to infinity n square minus n square minus n square minus n square minus n upon under root n square plus 1 plus under root 4n square plus 1. Now minus n square plus n square get cancelled. Now limit n tends to infinity minus n upon under root n square plus 1 plus under root 4n square plus 1. Now dividing n
Square.
tends to infinity
Okay, yes, sir.
minus 1 upon minus 1 upon under root
Square root
1 plus
1
1 upon n square plus under root
Sir, shouldn't
minus
yes, sir.
4
Sir, shouldn't there be minus for
minus sorry minus minus here minus 4 minus 1 upon n square. Now we are infinity substituting here minus 1 upon 1 1 here 0, right?
Sir, yes, sir, and plus 2.
1 plus root 4 plus root 4 means 2
2,
is
yes.
equal to minus 1 upon 3.
Yes, sir.
This is one method. That one also no problem, Nagbhushan. That method also same, minus n is coming now. 1 minus 2 3 yes, correct. Keshav?
Yes, I understood.
Okay. Next problem. Sixth one, the value of constant a and b, so that limit x tends to infinity x square plus 1 upon x plus 1 minus ax plus b is equal to 1 upon 2. Mains level, important model, mains.
Sir, it's minus bracket, sir.
Not bracket.
Okay,
Minus ax plus b. Important model.
Sir, x square plus 1 can be written as x plus 1 whole square minus 2x. Till there only I am getting. After that.
After that, take LCM. Limit x tends to infinity x square plus 1 minus ax plus b into x plus 1 right? Upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 by 2. Limit x tends to infinity, x square plus 1 minus of ax square plus ax plus bx plus b upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now common x square, limit x tends to infinity, x square common 1 minus a plus x common minus a minus b plus remaining 1 minus b upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2. After that,
That should not be minus inside because we are taking minus common. Sir, in the second last step, what we saw is like we are taking common, no sir. We are taking common. So how is it not
limit
minus?
x tends to infinity, x square into 1 minus a upon x plus 1 plus limit x tends to infinity, x into minus a minus b upon x plus 1 limit x tends to infinity 1 minus b upon x plus 1 is equal to 1 upon 2, right? After that, it is possible only 1 minus a is equal to 0, a is equal to 1, and this one,
So that one only is possible, sir. Like we can divide x there. So sir, there minus a plus b, no sir. Sir, it will be minus a plus b, no sir.
minus a minus b.
Sir, but while multiplying it will become plus b only, no sir. Sir, so it will be minus a plus b is
b value,
sir 3 by 2.
plus 3 by 2 or minus 3 by 2?
Sir, plus 3 by 2, sir. Because sir, here there's an error, sir. Like third step, sir.
This one?
Third step. Yes, sir. Above that, sir. Above that, sir. Yes, sir. There minus ax plus bx.
Minus ax minus bx?
No, sir. Plus bx, sir.
Plus bx,
Yes, sir. Because it's only there it's plus b, sir.
Here plus b.
Yes, sir.
Ax square plus ax, okay?
Plus bx plus
bx plus b.
Sir, there ax is minus, sir.
Ax is minus,
Yes, sir. Minus ax.
See bracket, see here.
Sir, I asked you that time, sir. Is it bracket ax plus b?
Oh, this one is bracket, sorry.
Yes, sir. I asked you that time.
Okay. This one is bracket. Bracket minus of ax plus b. Minus 3 by 2. Okay, correct. B. A is equal to 1. Minus a minus b is equal to 1 upon 2. Minus 1 minus b is equal to plus b is equal to minus 3 by 2.
Sir,
Hmm.
sir, if you see the third limit also, that only exists if b is equal to 1, no, sir.
B is equal to 1.
So, sir, b is equal to minus 3 by 2 as well as 1.
Hmm.
So, sir, there are two answers.
B is equal to 1.
Sir, b is also equal to 1, sir.
This one is possible.
Yes, sir, if b is equal to 1.
B is equal to 1.
Yes, sir. So answer will be for B has two solutions here, sir.
B is equal to 1 and B is equal to minus 3 by 2. No, it's not given
That
here.
time only it will work, sir.
Here B is equal to minus 3 by 2 is given answer.
Sir, then the third limit should be evaluated, no, sir.
1
Yes,
minus B here x common. It is not possible, no, this one.
Yes, sir, that's not possible. That's why B is equal to 1.
But answer is A is equal to
Sir,
1
can
and
I
B is
explain
equal
the
to
last
minus 3 by 2.
steps again?
Tell me, Keshav. This one?
Yes, sir. From here, can you explain? Yes, sir.
See,
From
limit
here,
apply,
yes.
limit multiply.
Yes, sir. Till
Extends to
here, I
infinity.
understood. After that,
X square into
after
1
that, sir.
minus x,
After
1
that.
minus A upon x plus 1. 1 minus
Yes,
A
sir.
upon x plus
This
1.
I know, sir. After this, what are we equating, sir?
And
Like,
this one and this one.
oh, you are equating with 1 minute, sir.
Not this one, sorry. Second one. Second one. First and second.
What we are doing with that, sir?
Minus A minus B.
Okay, sir. Like, how did we get that three equations? 1 minus a equal to 0. This how did we
1
get?
minus A is equal to 0, first one.
How,
Second
sir?
one, minus A minus B is equal to 1 by 2. Minus A minus B is equal to 1 by 2.
Yes, sir. Like, how did we get this part? That only I'm asking. This, sir, I didn't understand that.
Here, x tends to infinity, power of x square.
Yes, sir.
Dividing x square.
Dividing by x. Sir, like, you are dividing x square in what? Numerator and denominator, or what we are doing, sir? Exactly,
Numerator
I'm not.
and denominator.
What we are dividing, sir? X square.
X square.
In all three cases.
Not all three
only
cases.
here?
First case.
If we divide, we'll get 1 minus a divided by 1 by x plus 1 by x square, sir. Like
1 by x square.
Okay, sir. Like, I'm getting confused, sir. Here, like, what is happening? I'm not able to understand from here. Like, how did we get 1 minus a equal to 0, sir? That's what.
This one is 0. Wrong. This one is.
That's what, sir. How did
dividing
we correct?
numerator.
Sir, correct only, sir. Yes, sir. I checked it, sir. It is this only, sir.
Correct.
If b is equal to 1, sir, then it approaches minus 2.
Minus 2,
Yes, sir. If b is equal to 1, then it is minus 2. B is equal to 3 by 2, sir. Minus 3 by 2, sir.
Minus 3 by 2, na? Answer?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is equal to 1. A is equal to 1.
Yes, sir. A is equal to 1.
Then here, numerator and denominator x divide, no? Nagabhushan?
Yes, sir. We'll divide by x.
X divide Keshav.
Oh, okay, sir. Okay. Like to get the sum equal to 1 by 2, how? What is the way? That's what we are thinking. Okay, sir, I understood. Like it
Okay.
is taking time. I joined in middle now, sir. That's why it's taking a lot of time for me.
Okay. One problem, I will give homework. One problem. Homework problem. Okay. This one do. Limit, evaluate. Seventh one. Limit n tends to infinity. 1 into n plus 2 into n minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 2 plus so on plus n into 1 upon n cube. Evaluate limit n tends to infinity 1 into n plus 2 into n minus 1 plus 3 into n minus 2 plus so on plus n into 1 upon n cube.
Sir? Sir, what is the last term?
N into 1.
Okay, sir.
Excuse me, sir.
Sir, this is something like related to GP and factorial, no, sir?
GP.
Sir, it's either GP.
You try.
Either GP or it's factorial, no, sir?
Factorial.
Okay.
Not factorial. Sigma n or sigma n square.
Excuse me, sir.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Risha, tell.
Sir, someone needs to be let in.
Okay.